In this video, I will guide you how you can get Binance PayID in the application. Whether you are using iPhone or Android, the process will be similar. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Binance and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Then click on Profile on the top left of your screen. Then click on the More Services. Now once you are in, you can simply go for the common functions and click on the pay option, or you can simply click on the search icon on the top and search for the pay option. Now once you are in, there you have your Binance ID on the top which you can copy. Now if you want to receive from someone, you can click on the receive and you can simply click on the request payment, and or you can go with the alternative way, which is Binance PayID. You can copy and send it to the particular friend. Now whenever they want to send you some crypto directly, they can click on send option and then they can select Binance ID and simply paste your particular ID just like so. Then they can simply click on continue and they can add your cryptocurrency directly into your account by simply entering the amount. So that's the way of how you can get Binance PayID in the application.